Hello and welcome to my channel, The So-Called Travel Expert. In this episode, I share with you our experience of camping in the Black Forest. The campsite was near Lake Titisee in the southern Black Forest, and Lake Titisee itself is a well-known tourist destination. As you can see, it's quite a scenic and beautiful drive through the mountains, and this is how a typical drive looks like in the Black Forest. The locals also go here on day trips with their mountain bikes, as you can see on the car ahead. And now we are driving past the touristic Lake Titisee to our destination Shlukzee, which is only a further 20-minute drive away. Here's the entrance to the campsite, as well as a restaurant if you are not up for cooking or grilling, with the tent pitches just besides the trees. And here are the highlights of us setting up the tent. It was a new tent, and the alpha males that we are, we proceeded without reading any instructions. After all, how difficult can it be to set up a simple tent? It did not take us a long time to systematically open up the tent.
That is giant. Bigger than top right cover. Bigger than top right.
All that was now remaining was to fix the poles, and that's it. Even a small kid could put it together, right? Boy, were we in for a surprise. Uh-oh, that's where we realized something was not quite right. And so, with a bruised ego, we got back to reading the instructions. It was really quite straightforward. So, lesson learned is always read the instructions. And that's it. The tent is set up. Finally made it. Enjoying a well-deserved break after the hard work. It was quite a challenge setting up the tent. And here is a quick tour of the tent from the inside. As you can see, spacious and comfortable. Putting some sunscreen on after getting burnt in the sun, sitting out for 2 hours. It's quite useful. And before we realized it, it was already dinner time, and we decided to prepare our own pasta. Nearly there with the pasta, or boiling the pasta. Step 1 is finished. And then it was just a question of adding the ready-made pasta sauce and mixing. Nearly there now. Another 2 minutes and dinner is ready. And so, dinner is ready. Looks good, tastes good.
And with cheese to spare.
The campsite is located on a hill, but it is just a 2-minute walk to get to the lake from the campsite. And here is the first glimpse of the lake as we approach it. Since the access was only through the campsite, it was also not very busy. And as soon as we got to the lake, we started our favorite activity of tossing stones. The lake appears even more beautiful around sunset. This video was taken around 9 o'clock in the evening, just before sunset. There was also a path to walk along the lake, which was quite peaceful in the evening. Yes, it was totally worth it to stop and admire the natural beauty of the lake. Let's have a quick look now at the facilities of the campsite. Although there is a decent sized kitchen, it was closed off because of the corona pandemic. The bathrooms and the showers were also extremely clean, which made the whole camping experience a lot more fun. And there was also a small park right next to the camping ground, which was fun for the kids as well. On the next day, we decided to try out lunch at the local restaurant, and to be honest, it was reasonably priced and quite tasty as well. And now it was time to head back. Packing the tent was much easier than setting it up, as you saw. The overnight stay only cost us 35 euros in total. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming adventures. Thank you.